and our first keyword. And then you can comma separate any other keywords you want to put in there. Once we're all done with that, we can just save it. Okay, there's our first article published. And then we go on with adding all of our other articles, and I'll go ahead and do that. And then we'll come back and start with the site design. Okay, so I've gone ahead and entered some articles. Now, if we go in and look at these articles, we'll start with this one. You notice that there's no pictures in here. Now, there are two ways to add pictures. You could either do it inside the editor by linking to a web location, just like this, and you put the URL here, and then you could put other information in here as well where you want it to be aligned and all of this other stuff here. And there's some advanced functions here as well. Now you can either do it that way or you can use what's called the Media Manager. And to do that, you can go into Image down here, and it brings up the images that are currently in Joomla. You could also put the image URL in here if you wanted to do it that way. You can give it the image description and a title. Down here you have Upload, and if you click Browse Files, it is supposed to bring you up a little box where you can browse your computer and do the usual upload thing. However, there seems to be a bug in this version that I'm using right now, so I'm not going to be able to do that. But normally you would be able to upload a file, and then you would be able to get it from inside here. Just click on the one you want to use and upload it. Now I'm going to do a workaround here in case you have the same bug, and I'm just going to create a folder in my using my cPanel and File Manager, or by using FTP Client. I think I'll use FTP to do it so that I can show you how to upload your own images, and then you can access them from here even if the actual uploading is broken. Okay, so here we are in FileZilla, and on the right hand side over here, this is where I installed my Joomla. I installed it in Joomla Test. What I want to do is go into here into Images, and then I'm going to want to go into Stories. Double click in there. And then in here, I'm going to want to create a new directory. So I'll just right click, Create Directory. Then I'm going to call it Trucks and SUVs. Now keep in mind, I'm only doing this because there seems to be a bug in Joomla in this version I'm using right now. Normally you'd be able to just upload it right from the page we were on, or from the Media Manager, which I'll show you in a second. So I'm going to Trucks and SUVs. Then I'll get all the pictures off of the other side that I want to upload. Click Upload. Now I'll go back over here, and we're looking at the Ford Edge right now. So what I'll do is put the cursor there. Click on Image. Okay, there's our Trucks and SUVs directory. And oh, I didn't upload a Ford Edge. I better upload the image there. Okay, there we go. Click Insert. And there is our image from our Media Manager. We can save that one. And Chevy Silverado as well. Okay, save. Okay, so that's how you can get images in there. Now, real quickly, let's just go over to the Media Manager. So Site, Media Manager, and then you'll see under Stories here I have Trucks and SUVs. Under Stories I have Trucks and SUVs, and here are the pictures that I have in there, and I can delete them just by clicking on the delete thing here. And normally, again, I should be able to hit browse files, and I should get a box that comes up, browse them on a computer and upload them. However, it doesn't seem to be working. So that's why I did that shortcut. I just wanted to show you the Media Manager so you know that you can create images underneath the stories here, and then you can use those images in your articles and in your categories and in your sections. Now let's go to the Section Manager and do the same thing here. Put an image in here, so we'll click on Image, and then we'll go in here, click Truck, and then we'll save. And then we'll do the same thing with SUVs. Image, SUV, save. Okay, so that's how we get images on our relevant parts of our page. In the next video, we will start laying out the way our site's going to look.